Hello guys, I welcome you all to our another video. Today is day 3 of making another AI agent for the next 30-day AI agent challenge. And you can see this is my LinkedIn. And today I am going to apply job manually. Here we go. Yes, you are right. Today we will be going to apply job manually. Who applies job manually in this fast AI world? As you can see, I have to fill details, select my resume, check which work experience should I keep and which not as per requirement. Oh no, I have to manually apply all the fields. Finally, finally I filled my all details and uploaded my photo. For that part I need to pause my video also. Then create a photo PDF. Here we unselect. We don't require to follow the company. You can see, as we all can see, applying a single manual job took my almost 4 to 5 minutes. If there are this much of questions, so I am completely skipping this part of manually applying job. You simply need to go in, and if you are a Windows user, you can simply copy this repo and clone into your desktop and start using applying job automatically just at one click. And if you are a Mac user, you can simply copy this repo link and automatically apply for your jobs from here. I am too using this from 1.5 month, and you can see I have got so many freelance offer, so many interviews in tech companies and got so many offers. You can too also get the same offer by applying job on clicks. If you download this repo, you will get this interface. This is the structure of our project. Here you can find all the file, and this is the bot which you have to run in your terminal and get job applied automatically. Here you can find this is requirement txt, then this is the readme file. I have maintained such a good readme file. I will explain all the folder structure, but before that we will first run our application and check how it works. Here you can see, before running you have to enter a python environment. As this is for windows, you can try this on your desktop. I am a mac user, so I will be using this one. So as you all can see, I am already in a python environment, right? So there is no need to run anything. After entering python environment, you simply need to run this requirement txt file, and after that you have to run this python run ai bot.py and enter, simply enter. Then you must ensure that you must have a web driver chrome installed on your pc, and make sure it while running it should not be opened, right? Here you can see it had opened the linkedin application. in a tab, and now it is applying filters to search a required job. Here we get some few results, like LinkedIn posts so many job within a day. They might be for fresher, senior level, so we'll be setting filters according to our requirement in our code, and this and simply enter run button, and this agent will simply apply job for you. Here you can see the agent is asking, uh, yes, I want you to enter this information, so I am clicking on disable pause. Now it is checking, right? It will skip the jobs which are irrelevant to your mentioned skill, and will apply to only job you are eligible. As you can see, they might be senior level position, or my skills are not a good match there, right? Now we can see it has submitted the application, and we can same check in our terminal. It has logged few results, how many jobs are applied, what are its description, what are jobs which are rejected. Like you can see here in config, here applied job history, you can see check. Here the failed job history, you can check. Let's wait for few more jobs to apply. After that I will explain you the folder structure and what I have written inside the code. As you can see, the agent will continue applying the job. Let me explain the folder structure to you, and it will work in backend. So as you can see, this is the folder structure of our project, and you need to know the config files. Here you store all the user editable settings, like your personal details, questions, the resume, the search details, the secret keys, and the settings. Like here in personal, you can see you have to write your name. Uh, if you want, you can write your middle name, your last name, your contact details, your current city, your state, your address, your last employment, your profile headlines, then your LinkedIn summary. If you want to submit a cover letter, you can write what you want to submit as a cover letter, then the year of experience you have, and all your current salary and desired salary you want. Here in second question, you can see you are giving the path of a default resume. After running the program, you can see the program, the agent asks you if you want to submit a resume, or you want to choose the default resume in LinkedIn. So we decided to choose default resume, which was in LinkedIn, right? Then here you can see your, if you want to add your portfolio, you can add. Then LinkedIn profile, it is asking if you are a citizen or US citizen, or native of that place. No, I am not, you can mention. Then your desired salary, your current CTC, and all. Here you can see this snippet part is saying that you will be choosing the default resume in your bio. Then the search results, this is the important part, what you want to search. Here you can see if you want the jobs in the field of data analyst, power BI developer, data engineer, or data consultant, you can choose that one. Here in this repo you can see the search result. I have choose the search jobs such as ML engineer, generative AI engineer, AI engineer, or AI ML engineer. So it is choosing and searching only that jobs which are required. Like here you can specify in which state or country you want to search your jobs. Here you can see switch numbers, means it will search for 25 jobs of data analyst and then it will switch for analyst. Means if there are results of 25 jobs for data analyst, 15 are rejected and 15 are selected, then it will shift for analyst position, then it will apply jobs for analyst role. Similarly, if you want to randomize search order, I would simply written false, which means if you want few jobs from this, then this, then this. I want first to complete all my jobs in data analyst field. Then here in secret key, here you can write your uh, gym email id, then your password, so it will pick by default the thing. If you don't want, you can write it in runtime, it is not required to provide here, right? Here in setting you can see, uh, after applying, it is saying close the web driver and all, right? Then here in logs, if it fails to apply few jobs, then you can see here screenshot, then the apply history of the jobs and all. Now I think we can stop this application and we can fully focus on explanation. So let's submit it. You can see you have tried and learned to take rest but never give up. So you can see here the history or the details. It applied to 12 jobs and you run the program for only one single time and it skip almost 31 jobs. As previously you can see here, the loop was up to 25, then we can say it had run for 25 times for these machine learning jobs, then it switched to gen ai engineer job, and after that it will be running for ai engineering job. So similarly it will the loop will run simultaneously. Like you can see here, there are few python script like answer chase.py, then clicker and finder py, helper py, open chrome py, and performance monitoring py, smart select handler py, and validator py. Here if you go into answer chase py, here you can see and read that it stores and retrieve previously answered question. For example, if the our bot or the agent is stuck, then it will ask the user to fill in the information, right? So if the user fill the information, the AI agent will learn the information, same information to fill next time. If the same question arrives, it will answer the question smartly. Similarly, here the other fields are there, Python scripts are there, which will be retrieved or which will be accessed from this run ai.py. Here, this is our main code, or we can say this is the main part which will take information from all these Python scripts and execute all at once. Here we store all the addresses and we will running this program to get what we desire. If you read that these are some imports: Selenium WebDriver, then configs, addresses, routes, you can say. Then these are some imports from here and all. Like here you can see we have entered our information in config file and we are getting accessing that information here. Then you can see same thing, it is retrieving information, right? Then here you can see the login function. If you want to log in what you want, it will retrieve the same information from here, this secret.py, and it will provide to this logic and you will be logged in to your LinkedIn account. You can find the same here. If you are unable to log in, what error it will show, what is the expected thing, it is all written here. It will wait for the user to enter things manually, right? Then here you can see def here we have created a function get applied job IDs, right? Here you can see your logs, log.txt. So it will store the information which we have applied and which we failed to apply. If you can see, yeah, here we have applied job history. Like if we fail to apply job, it will create another CSV file which will contain uh, all failed application history, right? So this is another function. We store the description in your logs saying that this is the job title, this is the job ID, this is the company name. I will simply show the log history one for you. Here if you can say see here, like you can see this is a job description, right? This is the key responsibilities, this is the job role. Then here you can see the position which are opened. There are two position, business analyst for 1 year experience and second for business analyst with 2.5 year experience. Similarly, these are the logs, or this is the function which creates log, right? So here you can see skip if previously rejected due to blacklist or already applied. You can say it avoids the same application if it is rejected previously. Instead of running the same loop, it will always try to run a new for the user. Then here you can see the blacklist word in about company. Here here somewhere we have entered the list of companies or the blacklist word we don't want to search or allow in our job search. So it is the logic for that one. Then the what number of experience you want to add as a filter. Here it is the function and its logic. Then this is the resume logic, some common question, and similarly here you can see all the things. Here you can see if you failed, the user is trying to apply and the job suits for you, but if it failed to attempt, then it will capture some screenshot. If you can see, I might have some screenshot here. Logs screenshot. Here you can see what is the preferred location. Then here you can see explain your experience with US healthcare. So here the user need to manually enter the information, right? But if you like now you can say I was I have click on the run and was explaining to you that I was not watching that the AI chatbot want me to answer the question. So for that time you can say the only the agent will click the screenshot and will store here. So next time you will be aware that you need to answer this question, right? That's what here answer chase matters or come into existence. Like it will store the answers from the user, and next time you if you are trying to get that answers or things comes again, the AI will smartly answer the questions, right? So here you can see the function for uh, discard the job and all. It is the logic part, same. Here at the end you can see at the end you can see that after stopping the bot, you got an code, right? You are one step closer than before, or some meaningful thought. So I have written some phrases for you. So that's it for our today's. So if you want to have this AI chatbot, you can simply visit my GitHub and you can simply clone all the things from here. If you are Windows user, you can have this repo, and if you are a Mac user, have this repo. I will just share these links in my description. You can directly click on that link and go into that repo and clone your project. So thank you.